Some SUVs aren't just built for the showroom. They're engineered to outlast almost everything else on the road. Today, we're counting down modern warriors that already show the DNA to break past 300,000 miles. And trust me, number one will not surprise you, but it will prove why Toyota's hybrid game is still unmatched. Let's dive in. Number 7. Acura RDX. The Acura RDX might not always be the loudest name in the reliability game, but don't underestimate it. This third-generation RDX, launched in 2019, ditched the old V6 for a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder paired with Honda's 10-speed automatic. Some purists worried about that change, but so far it's holding up well, especially compared to rival luxury SUVs that often stumble with transmission or electronics issues. Built on Honda's global light truck platform, the same bones behind the Honda Passport and Pilot, the RDX benefits from shared engineering that's proven durable under heavy use. Consumer Reports and Edmunds both highlight it as one of the more dependable luxury crossovers in its class, and owner reports back up the claim: minimal major engine or gearbox failures even as mileage climbs. It's also practical for longevity. Regular maintenance is straightforward, with fewer overly complicated electronic systems than German rivals. The 272 horsepower engine has plenty of punch for highway duty without feeling overworked, which means less long-term stress on the drivetrain. On the used market, a 2019 to 2021 RDX typically ranges from $23,000 to $32,000, depending on mileage and condition. For a luxury SUV with Acura's reputation and Honda's engineering, that's an investment you can drive hard and still expect well past 200,000 miles, and with proper care, maybe even flirting with the 300K mark. Number 6. Hyundai Palisade. The Hyundai Palisade entered the SUV arena in 2020 as the brand's flagship family hauler, and it's been a quiet revelation. Where older Hyundais carried a reputation for budget-first durability, the Palisade flipped the script with refined engineering and surprising build quality. Sharing its platform with the Kia Telluride, the Palisade runs on a naturally aspirated 3.8-liter V6 paired with an 8-speed automatic. Simple, proven, and easier to maintain than many turbocharged competitors. Early owner data has been solid. Reports from J.D. Power show high marks for dependability, and unlike some rivals, the Palisade has avoided widespread engine or transmission failures. Its suspension tuning is built for long highway drives, and the drivetrain rarely feels stressed, which bodes well for long-term reliability. In the used market, you'll find a 2020 to 2022 Palisade for around $24,000 to $35,000, depending on trim and mileage. For families that want space, comfort, and the potential to reach 250,000 to 300,000 miles with proper maintenance, the Palisade is one of the best modern bets. Number 5. Toyota RAV4 Hybrid. The Toyota RAV4 Hybrid isn't just another compact SUV, it's the benchmark for efficiency and longevity in its class. Powered by Toyota's 2.5-liter Atkinson cycle four-cylinder paired with dual electric motors, this setup delivers a combined 219 horsepower while sipping fuel at around 40 miles per gallon. But the real story isn't the efficiency, it's the durability of Toyota's hybrid systems, which routinely exceed 250,000 miles with minimal degradation. Consumer Reports ranks the RAV4 Hybrid among the most reliable vehicles in its segment, and many owners are already reporting mileages well beyond 150,000 with no major issues. Battery longevity, often a concern with hybrids, is largely a non-issue here. Toyota's track record proves these packs can last the life of the vehicle. On today's market, a 2019 to 2021 RAV4 Hybrid typically sells between $22,000 and $30,000 depending on mileage. That makes it not only a smart choice for fuel savings, but also a realistic candidate to hit 300,000 miles if serviced regularly. Compact, efficient, and bulletproof, this SUV is the modern definition of running forever. Number 4. Kia Telluride. The Kia Telluride is one of those rare SUVs that arrived and instantly rewrote the rulebook. Since its debut in 2020, it's consistently landed at the top of reliability and owner satisfaction charts. Built on the same platform as the Hyundai Palisade, the Telluride uses a naturally aspirated 3.8-liter V6 with an 8-speed automatic. a simple, proven formula that avoids the overcomplication plaguing many modern SUVs. Consumer Reports has rated the Telluride as above average for predicted reliability, and J.D. Power named it one of the most dependable midsize SUVs in recent years. Owners regularly praise its comfort and practicality, but the bigger story is how few issues have cropped up even as fleets push these vehicles into higher mileage brackets. Unlike some rivals, the Telluride's drivetrain is under-stressed, which contributes to long-term durability. In today's used market, you'll see 2020 to 2022 Tellurides ranging from $28,000 to $40,000. It's not the cheapest, but if you want a modern SUV that feels fresh while still having the bones to cross 250,000 miles or more, this is one of the safest modern bets. Number 3. Honda Passport. The Honda Passport doesn't get as much spotlight as the Pilot or CR-V, but it may be the most underrated long-distance warrior in Honda's SUV lineup. Under the hood, it carries Honda's well-known 3.5-liter V6, delivering 280 horsepower paired to a refined 9-speed automatic. This same powertrain has proven itself in millions of Pilots and Acura RDXs, many of which have gone well past 300,000 miles with proper care. The Passport benefits from Honda's global light truck platform, which means a sturdy chassis and suspension tuned for both daily comfort and light off-road use. Reliability scores from Edmunds and Kelley Blue Book consistently place it near the top of the midsize SUV category, with owners praising its low maintenance needs and strong resale value. Prices for a 2019 to 2021 Passport typically range from $25,000 to $33,000. It's a no-nonsense SUV with classic Honda longevity, and while it flies under the radar compared to flashier rivals, it's exactly the kind of vehicle that can quietly carry you to 300,000 miles without drama. Number 2. Subaru Ascent. The Subaru Ascent entered the three-row SUV segment in 2018, with a lot riding on its shoulders. Early models had a few teething issues, mainly transmission-related, but Subaru quickly corrected those with updates, and since then, the Ascent has proven to be a tough, capable family hauler. Power comes from a 2.4-liter turbocharged Boxer 4 paired with Subaru's CVT, delivering 260 horsepower and the brand's signature symmetrical all-wheel drive. What makes the Ascent stand out is Subaru's track record with long-lasting Boxer engines and AWD systems that thrive under tough conditions. Owner forums are already filling with stories of Ascents crossing 150,000 miles with minimal issues. And given Subaru's history with the Outback and Forester regularly reaching 300K, the Ascent looks ready to follow suit. On the used market, a 2019 to 2021 Ascent typically costs $21,000 to $30,000, offering real value for a three-row SUV that balances capability, safety, and long-haul durability. For families who need an SUV that can handle both highways and mountain passes for decades, the Ascent is one of the strongest modern choices. Number 1. Toyota Highlander Hybrid. At the top of this list sits the Toyota Highlander Hybrid, a model that combines proven Toyota durability with the brand's unbeatable hybrid technology. Powered by a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine paired with two electric motors, it produces a combined 243 horsepower while returning fuel economy near 35 miles per gallon. But the real story is how Toyota hybrids age. They don't just last, they thrive. Prius owners have been hitting 300K for years, and the Highlander Hybrid follows the same playbook. Consumer Reports ranks the Highlander Hybrid among the highest for reliability in its class, and owners consistently report trouble-free miles piling on quickly. Its hybrid battery is designed to last the life of the vehicle, and the absence of a traditional automatic transmission means fewer long-term failure points. In today's market, a 2020 to 2022 Highlander Hybrid ranges from $33,000 to $45,000, but what you're really buying is peace of mind. For a modern SUV that combines efficiency, space, and legendary Toyota reliability, this is as close as you get to a guaranteed 300,000-mile warrior. And there you have it. 7 modern SUVs already proving they've got what it takes to push beyond 300,000 miles. From luxury crossovers like the Acura RDX to Toyota's unbeatable Highlander Hybrid, these models aren't just about style and tech. They're built for the long game. If you found this list helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more real-world car breakdowns, and let us know in the comments, which SUV do you trust to outlast the rest? Your experience might make the next list.